What's up guys, welcome back my video. First of all, this is my first video and I play Minecraft and I sleep because of night. Zombie are coming and I am dead, so I need where is zombie? I try to PvP with zombie. Where is zombie? Where is zombie? You see this sheep? I want to kill them. Go fast, go fast. 3, 2, 1. You can subscribe. I was sheep hit on one time. This is one time for hit. I was kill the sheep and I was to kill skeleton. Only 2 hits. This is octopus and I kill octopus 2 hits only. Yes, I want to kill octopus and I kill dog and skeleton because I try to kill. What is this? Only one hit, not 2, only 1 hit. You see zombie? You see zombie villagers. What the hell? Diamond sword. First of all, I say fire aspect to infinite 1, knockback to fire protection, attack damage 13,025 attack damage on one sword. This sword make me very effort and I was sleep. I sleep and I go to mine wood. I mine woods on 3 woods and I go to my storeroom. This is my storeroom and this is my items on one chest. This is boost chest. Yeah, 3. So I was tour of my world. This is my storeroom. This is my house and this is my farm. This is my area. This is my area. Oh, you can see this house. This is my second storeroom. I was to see them. This is my second chest.